Hello students, welcome back. This time we're going to take a new video for the unit that we're working on, which is Let's Do Sports. And we're going to learn our second set of vocabulary, right? We've checked the hours, we've checked different sports, different actions and verbs. We also checked simple present tense, and now we're going to add the new vocabulary. Revisamos presente simple, revisamos más vocabulario, revisamos las horas, right? And now we're doing simple present. Sorry, new vocabulary. So let's get started. This vocabulary is also related to sports, right? Different things that you need to know that are related to different sports. Number one, when you do sports, you generally work in teams, right? A team is a very important thing in sport. Team would be equipo, right? A team. Focus on pronunciation, team, right? We also have the trainer. The trainer is the person who teaches you and helps you and motivates you. Es el entrenador, right? Very important in a game, very important in sports. What else? We also have the action of practicing. To practice is to train, entrenar, right? When you do basketball or football or swimming and you want to be good at it, you need to train a lot. Tienen que entrenar mucho, right? To train. So then we have the trainer and the students training. Now, when you do sports, sometimes you can win, which is great. Pueden ganar, right? To win. And sometimes you can't. Sometimes you don't win. And when you don't win, cuando no ganan, do you have an idea how to say that in English? You lose, right? You lose. It's a bit sad not to win, to lose, but it's also very important in sports because that's a good way of learning. Cuando uno pierde, uno aprende mucho también, right? So to win, to lose. Now, this week's activities. Here we have the first part, easy peasy. You check the numbers, revisa los números, and there you go. And you place the words. So number 1 is to lose, and number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5 is it the trainer, to train, the team, to win. So you go placing, van ubicando las palabras donde corresponden, right? And finally, we have a final activity, which is a reading comprehension activity. In this new activity, you are going to read, vamos a leer the routine of a sports player, de un jugador, right? De un deportista. So let's see, we have here, sorry, that went too fast. I'm going to go back. There you go. Here we have Peter Brown routine. So you have the pictures there that shows you that this is Peter Brown, right? In number 1, he's doing something. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So some days of the week, algunos días de la semana, he follows this routine. Él sigue esa rutina, right? In that order. So he wakes up and he goes to train. Se va al tiro a entrenar. And then he has breakfast. And then he goes to bed and he likes to win. So, let's read. Leamos. It says, Peter Brown is a champion swimmer. He's a very good swimmer. Champion means winner. Someone that wins very much. And swimmer. He likes to swim, right? On Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, he gets up at 5:30 and goes to the sports center. So he wakes up very early in the morning and he goes to train. He trains with his trainer. Peter goes home at 7:30. Se devuelve a su casa muy tempranito también, right? When he's home, he has breakfast, yum yum, and then he goes to school like everyone else. In the evening, en la tardecita, he gets really tired. Llega ya muy cansado, right? So he goes to bed at 8 o'clock, at 8 o'clock in the afternoon. Peter doesn't train every day. Él no entrena todos los días. On Saturdays, he swims with the team, con todo el equipo, with the team. And he likes winning. He enjoys winning. So, let's check the questions. We have here, number 1, does Peter get up at 5:30 on Wednesdays? So we go to our reading and we read again. On Wednesdays, he gets up at 5:30. So this is correct. Yes, he does. So we do a ticket there, right? Number 2, does Peter train with his daddy? With dad? Let's see. He trains with his trainer, not with his dad. So yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. So you look and you do the ticket. Number 3, does Peter have a breakfast at home? Let's see. It says Peter goes home at 7:30 and then he has breakfast. So, yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. You check it. Number 4, does Peter go to bed at 7 o'clock? At 7 o'clock? Let's see, he goes to bed at 8 o'clock. So yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Good. And number 5, does Peter like losing? I think so. He likes winning. So yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Great. And that's it, guys. That's the end. That's all you have to do. Please send me your homework. You can send it through Pronote. La pueden enviar a través de Pronote o me la pueden enviar a mi correo. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye. See you in class. Thank you.